Hello friends, in this video we are going to cover the Salesforce admin interview questions, and after that I will cover the development interview question. Let's start our video, don't further delay. Now first question is, what is cloud computing? What is cloud computing? Cloud computing refers to deliver a various computing services including servers, storage, database and network, software, analytics, intelligence over internet. All these are provided on internet, and we can say on cloud. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing refers to deliver what? Various computing services including servers, storage, database, networking, software, analytics and intelligence over internet, or we can say cloud, to offer what? Foster innovation, flexible resources and economies of scale instead of owning and maintaining what? Physical servers and data center. Okay, it all the things above the mentioned we have discussed available on internet, and instead of sometime we use physical server or database or server. We don't need this. Okay, we can use all these services on internet using our laptop, phone or whatever the gadget you have. And data center, individuals or organization can access these resources on demand from cloud services provider. Okay, now yes, there are the several deployment models for cloud computing. What is public cloud, private cloud and hybrid cloud? What is public cloud? Cloud resources are owned. Public means cloud resources are owned and operated by third party cloud services provider, are made only available to the general public over the internet. Okay, example including the Amazon Web Service, Microsoft Azure and the Google Cloud Platform. These are the public cloud. We can generate our private cloud, like cloud's resources are used excessively by a single organization. Okay, for your company, whatever you have your organization, you can create your private cloud. Private cloud can be hosted on site by third party provider and are often chosen by enhanced security and control. We have the security and control with ourselves. And now what is hybrid? Hybrids are the both mixed public and private. Okay, this combines both public and private cloud. Data and applications can be shared. Application can be shared between them, allowing for the greater flexibility, optimizing of existing infrastructure. Okay, now these are the main three clouds we have: public cloud, private cloud and hybrid cloud. These are the main three clouds available on internet: public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud. But the other cloud is community cloud. What is community cloud? Cloud resources are shared by the several organizations. Cloud resources are shared by the several organizations with a common concern. Example, regulatory compliances. It is like private cloud shared among a select group of organization. Is called community. We can generate community. Simply word, we can generate the community and we can share up this in the particular group of organization. Understood? I think we have to move on the next question. What are the services provided in cloud? There are the mainly three services provided in cloud: SaaS, PaaS and IaaS. Main three services are provided in cloud computing. What is SaaS? Software applications as a service, platform application as a service and infrastructure as a service. We can say that software application as a service, like the example of Salesforce.com, and platform application is example is the Force.com, where we can build our personal application, we can code there. Okay, platform, this is the platform where we can code or generate of one application. And now what is infrastructure as a service? Infrastructure means in infrastructure we can store the data and whatever databases are included in the infrastructure. Okay, now what is SaaS? SaaS, it is the concept of assessing a software application or the internet is called SaaS, software as a application. Okay, I already told you about that. What is the example of this one? Salesforce.com is the example of SaaS. And now PaaS, platform as a service, accessing as a platform such as any programming language on which we can application build provided as services over the internet. Okay, we can take an example for our Salesforce is an own language like Apex, and we can build our own application on the PaaS, platform as a service. We can using the platform as a services like using the Apex language we can build our own application. Okay, so in the simply word, PaaS example is the force.com. Okay, now IaaS, assessing the infrastructure such as applications, server, storage, server on the internet is called IaaS. Okay, now next on new question, third question, what are the products in Salesforce? There is a trick we can remember this one. FRSHD2AC. F means force.com, R means Radian6, S means site.com, H means Heroku, D means data.com, again D2 means D2 time database.com, and A means App Exchange, and C means Chatter. Now what is force.com? Now how many? FRS, HDD 2 time and AC FRS. Force.com, Radian6, site.com, Heroku, data.com, database.com, App Exchange and Chatter. There are the main 8 applications provided in the Salesforce. Now what is force.com? This is the example of PaaS, platform as a service. Now what is the work of this force.com? To develop the application. It having the entire coding knowledge. It has entire coding knowledge, and it is an MVC architecture. MVC means model, view and controller. Model, view and controller means, okay, MVC means, okay. Now Radian6, what is? It is the social media monitoring and engagement platform. Radian6 means social media platform. Okay, site.com means design and public websites. Okay, this is used by site.com is where design and public websites. Heroku, what is Heroku? A new way of building and deploying web pages. This is web pages and this is website. Okay, web pages and websites. Okay, data.com, it deals with the correct data. Database.com, it is only database service natively built for the social enterprises. App Exchange is a directory where we can get inbuilt application. Okay, App Exchange in this particular App Exchange, there are so many applications available in that platform. We can download and access by using, some are free and some are paid. We can use as our requirement. App Exchange is the directory where we can get the inbuilt applications. We can directly download the applications from the App Exchange and we can use it according to our use. What is Chatter? Chatter is the private and secure social network for a company for internal communication. For internal communication is called Chatter. Chatter is available in our sales platform or whatever we can use. We can add the Chatter at our page. Okay, now let's talk about the next question. What are the difference between Salesforce.com and Force.com? Salesforce.com and Force.com. Salesforce is a keyword used to search anything. Okay, Salesforce.com is a cloud computing and social enterprises software as a service. I already told you about Salesforce. Salesforce.com is an example of SaaS. Okay, now it is multi-tenant architecture. Force.com, what is Force.com? It is used to develop the application. It have the entire coding knowledge, and it is a MVC model. MVC model means a user can control user can control and manipulate the data of the model and update, and we can view this one. Okay, we can say that proposed outcome is a MVC. We can model, view and control. Okay, first outcome is we can do this so many activities. Now let's talk about the next question. What are the campaign? What are the campaign? Campaigns means you can think about this single word. What is campaign? A campaign is a marketing project. Marketing project that we want to plant, that we want to do for in the next time, in the future. Manage and track in Salesforce. Okay, this is a campaign. Now next question is what is the difference between Salesforce lead and opportunities? What is the difference between Salesforce lead and opportunity? Now this is very most important question. A Salesforce lead is an individual or a company. Individual means any person or a company inside in your CRM that is not qualified by your lead criteria, that is not qualified. This is not this is the only suspect for your product. This is not a particular customer or account for your company or for your CRM. Okay, now lead. Now let's talk about lead is any person. Individual means any person, organization or a company that may be interested in your product. Sometimes lead are referred as to the suspect. Suspect means it can buy your product or it can use our services. Okay, this is called lead. Lead are not yet customer. Okay, leads are typically acquired through the traditional marketing channel. Okay, how can we acquire lead? Through the traditional marketing channel such as email, SEOs. This is the searching site where we can access to the customer or account or any person. Okay, advertising and need to be covered into our contact and account inside the Salesforce via qualification process. It go through the qualification process. Once qualified, all contacts and accounts user have the options to attach an opportunity. Then it will become our opportunity to qualify to a qualified lead. Now on the first time it is not qualified, but it go through our lead score criteria. It will qualified lead if they have the potential to bring revenue to your business by sales or deal. A Salesforce opportunity merely tells the optional revenue. A qualified lead may provide their probability to reaching or final stage deal with the conversation. To simplify, let's define each them. Okay. Now what is lead? What is contact? What is account? And what is opportunity? Lead. What is lead? A lead or a person or organization first acquire in Salesforce. Why marketing effort? Okay, it's called lead. Now contact, a lead that has been qualified. A lead that has been qualified and converted into the of Salesforce has markable and information attached to its record, and contact represent individual person. Contact represent what? Individual person. And what is account? A lead that has also been qualified and converted but represent an individual's business or organization. But a contact is what? Contact is individual person, individual people. Okay. Now what is account? Account is an individual's business and organization. Understood about this one? And now what is a opportunity? A qualified lead. Okay, with the potential to complete the sales. It's called opportunity. Now next, what is the forecast? What is the forecast? Forecast means we can assume something about your business that can earn this revenue. Okay, this is called forecast. Now let's talk about the forecast. Is the best estimate of how much revenue we can generate in our quarter. Okay, now this is forecast. Or a sales forecast is your best estimate of the revenue you can generate it in a given time frame, such as physical quarter. Now next is an account is deleted. What happens with contact? All contacts and opportunities are deleted when account is deleted. Understood now what is written here? A account is deleted, then contact and opportunities will also be deleted from the sales sales force which is related to account. I think you understood, guys. Now next to the next question, we move to the next question. Now we have only covered 8 questions in this video. Now we will cover the next more questions in our next video. How many questions we have discussed so far? What is cloud computing? This is a general question asked by the interview. Now we have to give the answers. What is cloud computing? Okay, now what is deployment models and cloud computing? Public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, and you can say community cloud for a selected group or organization. Now we discuss about what are the service provided, including there are the 3 mainly service provided as AAS, PaaS and IaaS. Sales software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. This is the example of salesforce.com. This is the example of force.com, where we build our code, and this is the infrastructure as a service. Okay, in IaaS there are so many storage and the data center available in infrastructure. Okay, now what is the next what are the product in Salesforce? We have a simple trick, FRS, HDD, HD2, or we can say AC. F means force.com, R means Radian6, S means site.com, H means Heroku, D means data.com, database.com, and A means AppExchange, and C means Setter. Okay, now let's talk about the what are the difference between salesforce.com and force.com. Salesforce.com we can search everything in salesforce.com, and force.com where we can deploy or where we can build or deploy and see, and we can view our application in force.com. Okay, understood. Now what is campaign? Campaign is a marketing project that we want to do in that we want to plan or do in future. Now what is the difference between lead or opportunity? Leads means a suspect or a person or organization that is useful for our sales and or services. And opportunity, what is the opportunity? Opportunity is converted lead or lead criteria. It is called opportunity. Opportunity means it is the person or organization or a business that will buy or use our services is called opportunity. And what is contact? Contact is an individual people. Account is in the individual business or organization. Okay, what is forecast? Forecast is the best estimate of how much revenue we can generate in the quarter. And now what happen when the account is deleted? When account is deleted, then contact and opportunity also be deleted. Thank you for this video. I request you, please watch this video in a normal speed, that so that you can understand it very carefully. Okay, thank you so much. If you like this video, share with your friends. I will discuss this more slide, more questions in the next video. Thank you so much.